Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. I didn't plan on this, but I was just playing around with it. I actually learned something. When you have a smart fill shape, it won't intersect. You can't use the intersect tool. So I had to convert it to a bitmap, and you can see it's still a bitmap, but it's sharp as all can be, so it doesn't matter in this case. I made it 10 by 10. I'm going to take an ellipse, a square, holding down the control button, and I'm going to make it 9.5. I'm going to hit P. Now I'm going to select them both, and it would not intersect, but now it does, so I've actually learned something. And we'll move that out of the way, and what we're going to do to save the line and everything so there won't be a crack between it, we're going to nudge. Instead of 9.5, we're going to go 9.45. Nobody will know the difference. And just do as many as you want. And then grab it again, hit the plus key, do it as many times as you want. Let me get it off the page so it looks a little better. And then, like I do a lot, even with them broke up, you can select them all, holding down your shift key and double click on your rectangle tool. And it's selected so you can make it black. You don't have to move it out of the way. Then go up to object order, backup page, and look at the, I'm going to take away the red line outline, but look at that. That's a pretty cool seamless pattern. And I might even, no, I'm not going to make another video, but you could maybe even try filling that in. I don't know that you could fill that in with a bitmap now that we have that. I could have maybe done it before. And no, you cannot, because that's your bitmap. So, but, you know, most people think, and I'm one of those too, that think, it's a little bit blurry, but that would print or just be a background for something. Just a cool design. Just playing around. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.